In this video, we are straight piping the Scrambler, absolutely transforming my budget off-road Ducati. So as the garage door opens, we're working on this thing right here, the Monster. The Scrambler, what am I talking about? There's the Monster. We're working on the Scram. So what are we doing today? We are swapping this exhaust out because it's scuffed. It's a little bit beaten up and it sounds kind of lame. My other Ducatis have a Termi right here. Ooh. And I think we got an exhaust back here on this one as well, but this by far sounds the worst. So there's no question in my mind that we got to fix it. We got to get this sorted. I'm holding the other camera so that you can hear a clip of the stock exhaust right now. It doesn't sound bad, but it doesn't sound particularly good. It's not aggressive, it's not grunty. And when you got some nicer, more meaty, growly exhaust, I don't know what I'm doing. It's good, especially when it's free. So that's why we're doing this. That's why we're choosing the exhaust that we are right here, because we already have it. Came included with the bike. And if we can make it look a lot better, I mean, I think this color of piping is gonna look a million times better than that big, bulgy, bulbous stock exhaust down there. It'll match the colorway a little bit better with this, the green, the brown seat, everything like that, versus the bright silver. This will look a lot better. There we are. So the aesthetics are gonna be better. This isn't dented, it's not scratched. That will look a lot better as well, and I'm sure without the added mufflage, all of the muffling that the muffler will do, it'll sound better as well. I'm grabbing my little toolbox right here, and we're gonna try to find the right hex. Got the spring off. So I think at this point, it should just pretty easily. There we go. So I just got the muffler taken off and it is right here. And I didn't realize how bulky it was. I thought it was a section of pipe right there until I saw a YouTube video from someone else. So I thought it was just gonna be the difference of this on this, if that makes sense. But no, it's this whole piece that connected all the way on the other side. So we're gonna have a whole bunch more space back here. This one's just gonna slip right on like this. And we have substantial weight savings. Like with this one, I can toss it and catch it without a shadow of a doubt. With this one, there's more. I don't know if I wanna try to throw it up and catch it. So we'll switch back to the camera and get at it. Success, we got the exhaust on. It is looking pretty fresh, pretty nice. It really cleans it up and makes it look slicker. I have not turned it on yet, but I'm gonna wait until I move it out of the garage. Actually, you know what? I'll do it and get the exact same angle that I had the camera and the other exhaust shot at, just for consistency's sake. Then I'll take it out. Then I'll do my first ride and the impression. Okay, you ready for this? Gotta make sure my feet aren't in the way. Oh, that's a lot. I'm not even revving it in here. We're going out. Okay, so you can see with a little bit of sun on my face, we are out of the garage. I have on the compliance helmet. This thing's not going to do anything but not get me pulled over because California has a helmet law. Anyway, we got the duck right here, the camera in the bag, and we are headed out to somewhere that's not my garage so that the neighbors don't absolutely hate me when we test out this exhaust. Sound good? So now we've gone to the middle of nowhere, pretty isolated, which is great. I'll show you the view from the other way. There's like a big park back there, but there's nobody around. Now I don't feel bad about racking the pipes open because this thing is so loud. It gave me, just on the right here, it gave me all the after fires, all the crackles, all the pops that my little Ducatista heart desired. My Biscotti boy heart was pumping. I'll fire her up right now. You can hear it. Sounds like a Harley in my opinion. Like, it's that stereotypical straight pipe, super loud. You can hear that I have to talk louder because of this. That was not going on the other exhaust. So, that was so awkward. A police officer just drove by and gave me a little wave. Anyway, now is the time to rock out the pipes. With my reaction, and then I'll show you the tack, just how loud it gets. It hurts the eardrum. Like, you need an enclosed helmet to be able to hear this.
In the end, although it's a little bit loud now, I am super excited with the turnout of the exhaust. It gives the bike such a better sound profile, not to mention the weight savings and making it look a whole heck of a lot better. Coupled with the fact that this was entirely free because it came included with the purchase of the bike, you can't go wrong. Anyway, if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for future content, and with that in mind, I will see you on the next one. Peace.